Hello guys, my name's Costa and welcome back to another episode of Programming Python. For this video we're going to be looking at how can we display to the user which ship they've sunk. So before we actually delve in, so what we need to be able to check is exactly what letter, because the game puts letters as ships, what letter did they hit? And to do that is not that difficult really. Is you just before the actual hit is commenced. So if I just come down over here. So before the actual hit is done, so before you change it to an M, if it's a miss, or if you change it to a H, before that just check to see what letter's actually there, and if it's A, B, S, D, P, aircraft carrier, battleship, submarine, destroyer, and patrol boat, then you've hit this ship. So what I'm going to do is we only want to look at the hits basically. So we're going to look at this part over here, because we're going to look at what you've hit. And let's create a new variable called ship hit. And let's say is if board row column is equal to an A, then that must mean your ship hit is equal to a aircraft carrier. So what we are stating over here is okay. So tell the program go to the row and column entered by the user. If that row contains the letter A, that must mean that we will hit a aircraft carrier. And what we do is then what we can then just do is change it to an H. But before we just do that, we can say here, player name, you have hit space. You've hit A. We'll do that, space. You've hit a aircraft carrier. And like that. So what this will do now is, okay, so it detects, okay, there's an A. That must mean, okay, you've you've hit a aircraft carrier at da-da-dun, and then change it to a, and then change that the column and row to a H, showing that you've hit it. Now we must also do this is also for the other units that this game has. So let's just put a bunch of if statements over here, and we'll say if it's a B, it's a battleship. Ship. And if you don't know what the ships are, if you just scroll down, you've got here the ships are either aircraft carrier, battleship, submarine, destroyer, and patrol boat. And also, if you don't know what the initials that they used, they're over here as well. And they are over here again. So there you go. And over here again. So there you go. Let's go back up. So yeah, so if equals B, battleship and battleship. If it's a submarine, an S, that means it's a submarine. If it's D, it's a destroyer. And lastly, I forgot to do one more if statement. And lastly, if it's a P, it's a patrol boat. Patrol boat. So let's just run this now. Oh. Save. And let's start a new game. Let's do let's enter that, and let's enter a column. Let's enter 2, 3. No, it's a miss. Let's do 4, 5. That's a miss. It's gonna take a while. 3, 7. That's a miss. 9, 2. That's a miss. 0, 1. That's a miss. Okay, you know what? Let me just open up the training file. Let's just use this. So let's just load up the training file and let's say enter column 8 and row 1. So yep, you've hit, so Jerry, you've hit a battleship. What we could also do, should that be capitalized? No, we'll leave it at that. Anyway, yeah, that's it really. That's simple. You just do a couple of if statements, and then yeah, you just store them into a variable so you know what ship you've hit. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.